Welcome back to CodeChef. In today's lesson, we are starting one of the most important concepts in C programming, functions. A function is simply a group of instructions bundled together to perform a specific task. Instead of rewriting the same logic again and again, you write it once and reuse it whenever you need it. This not only makes your program cleaner but also helps you think like a competitive programmer, structuring your logic into smaller, manageable pieces. So let's begin. Before using a function inside your program, especially when the function definition is written after main, the compiler needs to know about it. This is where a function declaration, also called as a prototype, comes in. It's like informing the compiler in advance, hey, this function exists. You'll see its full code later. For now, just remember its name, return type, and parameter. If your full function definition is written above main, then the declaration is optional. But in competitive programming or larger projects, declarations help keep your code well structured. The syntax looks something like this. Here, the return type is the kind of value the function returns, and function name is the name of the function. The empty parentheses means the function takes no parameters for now. Method parameters. Now let's understand parameters, one of the most powerful features of functions. Parameters are like temporary variables that receive data when a function is called. This makes your function flexible. It can work with different inputs every time you call it. A well-designed function with parameters helps you reuse the same logic multiple times. The syntax for the same is void function name parameter 1, parameter 2, so on and so forth. So void is no value returned, function name is the function's name, and parameter 1, 2 are the inputs coming from the function call. Now let's look at an example. So here's an example. We start with a standard input-output library, and our function declaration starts here. Void greet user car name line. This is the function declaration telling the compiler that the function's name is greet user. It returns nothing, that is the void, and it receives two parameters, a string, car, and an integer. So the function body will appear later, but this declaration ensures the compiler knows how it looks in advance. So int main is where our execution begins. Every C program must have a main function. Now inside this we have printf. So this line prints a simple message. It helps track the program flow, a common debugging technique. Now next we have greet user Tina, 20. We call the function Tina is passed on to name and 20 is passed on to age. So inside the function name is equal to Tina and age is equal to 20. Now return 0 indicates successful program termination. And now void greet user, this line, this is the function definition, the full code that runs when the function is called. It must match the prototype exactly. So same name, same return type, same parameters. And then we have the printf line which prints a custom greeting using the passed parameters. And then we complete the program with our curly braces. Now we run this program. Okay, so now you can see the results. In the output, you can see that we have our output saying inside main function, we have hello Tina, you are 20 years old. This is our expected output. And that's the foundation of function declarations and parameters in C. Now that you understand how to declare and define a function, jump over to the CodeChef online compiler and try writing your own function with parameters, without parameters, above main, below main, everything. The more you practice, the faster these concepts will become second nature. Keep coding and I'll see you in the next one.